So for an ohm, it's basically just getting sound out. And so you inhale, and then as you exhale, you just expend sound. So it doesn't really matter what you're saying. You can say someone's name, you can think of something when you're saying the sound. It doesn't really matter, but you'll notice some vibrations just like going through your body. It's pretty neat. You don't have to join me. You can if you'd like. You inhale to prepare, and then on the exhale, we'll do it 3 times. Inhale to prepare. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. Thank you guys so much for joining me tonight.